The person starts from A, walks 20 meters, then takes a right turn and walks 30 meters. Again he takes a right turn and walks 20 meters, so that finally he is facing west. Now, instead of doing the reverse calculation, we can reset our direction compass as per the given directions. This way, you will realize and very quickly that the starting point is to the north with regard to the final point F. Got it, Vidya?
Yes, adjusting direction compass is easier than backward calculation. Now, my answer option is option 1, as statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question. Yes, I'm right.
Wait, Vidya. You are making a serious mistake. You must also check the second statement before you come to a conclusion.
Oh, I'm sorry, but let me quickly solve the second statement. P walked 30 meters from point A, took left turn from point B, walked 20 meters, and again took a left turn from point C. Then he walked 30 meters towards east and reached final point F. That means finally he is facing east. Now, quickly adjusting my directional compass, I can easily observe that starting point A is towards north with respect to final point F. Wow, now I got it. Either of the statement is sufficient alone to answer the question. Hence, option 3 is correct.
क्वेश्चन तो तुम बहुत अच्छा सॉल्व करती हो विद्या, जहां नहीं करना हो वहां भी। अरे मैडम, ये डेटा सफिशिएंसी का क्वेश्चन है। यहाँ बताना है कि डेटा सफिशिएंट है कि नहीं, और तुम लगी हो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में। अरे भाई, पहली और दूसरी स्टेटमेंट्स में पी चला कहीं, कहीं मुड़ा और कहीं पहुंच भी गया। अब डायरेक्शन ऑफ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू फाइनल पॉइंट ना निकले, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता। तो बिना सॉल्व किए भी तो कह सकते हैं कि ईदर ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट इज सफिशिएंट, यानी कि ऑप्शन नंबर 3। अब क्या सोच रही हो? पहले क्यों नहीं बताया?
Thank you, Ghanchakkar, for opening my eyes. I just forgot that it's a data sufficiency question.
Now take the next question, Vidya.